Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. We are going to talk about the Daily Goodie Box. Now, if you have never heard of it before, I have down below quite a few unboxing videos from the Daily Goodie Box. The Daily Goodie Box is free. Yes, free. Absolutely free. Zero. Costs nothing for you. You need to go sign up and be active on all of their social pages. Go follow them on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, excuse me, all of the social networks, okay? And be active with them. Also, on the Daily Goodie Box page, after you sign up, there's just little games and surveys and stuff like that you can take, but they randomly pick people every month to send a box to. This is how the box will come. It will look just like this. And I love the Daily Goodie Box because they introduce you to so many natural and organic brands. Then you open your box and this is what it looks like. Okay? My light keeps going. Then you're going to open your box and this is what it looks like inside. And the note says, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box. Thank you. You will always have one of those in the really pretty blue tissue paper. And full of goodies. So let's dig in. The first item is Shrewd Food Protein Crisps Brickoven Pizza Bites. 14 grams of protein per serving. This is one serving, so it's going to be 14 grams of protein in here. High in protein, low in carbs, no corn syrup, no peanuts or tree nuts, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. 14 grams of protein, 90 calories, 3 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbohydrates, and 1 gram of sugar. So that's awesome. Let's try it. That's the fun part about getting little snack bites. Ooh. It smells like pizza. It smells just like pizza. Now, this is what it looks like. Let's try it. Very crunchy. It does. It tastes just like pizza. That is so weird. And they're really good. Oh, wow. Those are really, really good. And let's wash it down. We have natural, let's see, it's by Karma Wellness Water. It's 110% of 7 vitamins, 20 calories per bottle, and this is an 18 fluid ounce bottle. I've never heard of these before. It's an immunity booster. Peel off protective seal, push to infuse fresh vitamins. The vitamin cap is up here. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Shake to initiate the healthy benefits. Transform water into wellness. 110% of fresh A, E, and D and essential B vitamins, plus vitamin C, acai, pomegranate, and polyphenols, I don't know, for immune boost. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this. How do you get it out? Do you just... Oh, I got it. There's a little plastic cover right there. Okay. We're going to put the lid back on. So I took the plastic cover off, and this is what it, I guess you push this button. I'm pushing and nothing's happening. Let's see. It must be mixing because this cap is starting to fill up with water. Yep. So you hold this down and shake. Okay, let's give it a shot now that we've figured it out. This would be really good if it was cold. Yeah, it's not grainy. This is really neat. So it's from Karma Wellness Water. This is really good. It tastes just like pomegranate juice. Right? Isn't that what it was? Yeah. It tastes just like pomegranate juice. This is really neat. I like that. Next we have Tiger Balm. Oh my gosh. Tiger Balm is amazing. Pain relieving muscle rub. Easy to apply for hard to reach areas. Tiger Balm is amazing. Their products work wonderful. This is what it actually looks like. And it's a spray. Instead of that tiny little jar that you have to dig your fingers in. Oh, my husband's going to love that. That's really neat. Next, we have Blister Balm Protective Lip Treatment. Crafted with 100% natural jojoba botanicals. Lip protectant. From 100% natural ingredients, daily use reduces cold sore outbreaks. That's what that looks like. That is really cool. So it's like cold sore blister prevention for daily use. That's neat. I've never heard of that before. And this is by Rustic Maka Illuminating Activated Charcoal Whitening Tooth Powder. Awesome. My ring flipped around. ILLUMINATE is a 100% natural tooth whitening powder that refreshes and promotes healthier teeth while utilizing activated charcoal's absorption properties to detoxify and brighten your smile. Ingredients: Botanica clay, activated charcoal, kaolin clay, menthus spicata, it's a spearmint powder, peppermint powder, and sodium what is that? bicarbonate, which is baking soda. Awesome. And that's a lot. This is 1.5 ounces. That's quite a bit. That's a lot. CUSA tea, premium instant tea, organic tea in 3 seconds, taster pack. That's what that looks like. Organic tea in 3 seconds. If I can open it, it says it has English breakfast, and I ripped it so I can't read it. Oolong tea and mango tea. So you get 3 little packets of those, and it comes with a card inside. No preservatives or fillers. Never overstep your tea again. 0 calories. Enjoy hot or cold. So that's cool. All the links to everything is going to be down below. Now we have one last item, and this is Don't Go Nuts, nut-free food. Whitewater Chomp, chewy granola bar with white chocolate. Nut-free, school-safe, certified organic. So I guess it's a little kid's nutrition bar. I'm a kid at heart, right? Let's try it. This is what it looks like. Looks like pressed oatmeal. It's actually really good. Wow. It's not enough to just feel safe. I want to be safe. I want you to be safe too. I have a life-threatening nut allergy, and I've worked hard with our Don't Go Nuts team so you know and trust our foods are nut-free. Our ingredients come from nut-free places. When they get to us, we vacuum off the packages before letting them into our nut-free commercial kitchen. Then we prepare each bar with love and care. Lily Pinto, co-founder at age 12. Wow. Good for you, Lily. So definitely, if you guys have a nut allergy, you know somebody that has a nut allergy, click on the link below for Don't Go Nuts. Isn't that what it is? Yeah, Don't Go Nuts. Because this is actually really, really good. And it's organic. No GMO. I want to read a little bit more about this. 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol, 75 milligrams of sodium, 27 grams total carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, 12 grams of sugar, 2 grams of protein, and it has calcium, iron, wow. And they're really tasty. And they're school safe. Buy a whole box of these and send them to school with your kids. I know that's a huge problem. You can't send nothing to school nowadays. Nothing. Because of, you know, all the allergies that are going around. And we have a Don't Go Nuts, nut-free foods. What is this? Oh, I guess this is just a little illustrated drawing. This is cute. An illustrated pamphlet of how they get their products and how it's made. That's really neat. And on the back, it tells you about how they got started. This is really neat. And how they work. This is amazing. This is amazing. And then we have Blister Balm, 20% off your first order. Use code GOODIE20, free shipping always. Naturally medicated cold sore therapy. Fast, effective relief from pain and itching. Crafted with natural jojoba botanicals. Prompt use stops blister development. Use as the first sign of a tingle. And there is the, if you are actually going to purchase this, here is your code to save 20% off. I will have that underneath the link down below. I just want to make sure if this didn't have one on it. No. So that is it. That is for January's Daily Goodie Box. So if you have one coming, this is what you're expecting. If you think this is amazing, a free box of goodies. I've gotten makeup, all kinds of things, but every single thing is organic. Everything that they send out. That is what they're known for. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Go get you some vitamin water. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Mwah.